Hey guys, good morning. Today I'm going to talk about research methods and tools specifically to search research articles and research material. I'm doing this because I have been receiving lots of questions from my students and especially people that I am supervising for their master's, PhD, and bachelor's research. So, the biggest question that I'm getting is how to find research articles that are appropriate for the topic or the area or the title of their research. So, today I'm going to talk about some online tools such as the IEEE Explorer, uh, maybe the Web of Science, Google Scholar, and a few others. So, today primarily we're going to talk about IEEE Explorer and some online journals that you can see. So, basically, we have, uh, if you go here, there is a website called IEEE Explorer. And starting with a fresh screen, uh, so if you want to search something, you can enter it in this bar here. You can just write, for example, grid tied PV systems. So this is the project of one of my bachelor's groups. And then you click search and it gives you a variety of results. So if you look here at the top, if you follow the mouse pointer, there is a wide variety of results available. So there are conferences, about 900 of these, and then journal articles. So these are original research articles in which the author has contributed something from his own experiments, his own simulations, or his own studies, and also review articles. So these are of two kinds. So these are the ones that are properly indexed and everything, and then there are early access articles. Then there are magazines, and then there are books. So my recommendation for those who are starting research is to just tick these two. You can also tick these if you like, but it's best to start with this. So these three, and you click apply. Sometimes it requires to be refreshed a bit. So now you have these results and the filters applied are you need to look just at the journal articles, the early access ones, and the magazines. So you have different kinds of stuff displaying here. And now the parameter that uh, you've sought or you've selected for displaying of these results is the relevance to these titles and these keywords. You can change this by going to the newest first, or the oldest first, or the most cited ones, by patents or by papers, the most popular, A to Z, Z to A. So let's go to the newest first. And now you have the most recent one. Now this is an early access article. It's not been indexed properly, but it's going to appear in a few weeks or a month or two in the next issue of the IEEE Transactions in Industrial Electronics. So this is the journal name. If you want to find more about the journal, you can just click here. And then progressively it goes down and you have other articles and so forth. So this is some information that you can seek about the journal. The impact factor, the eigenfactor, different kinds of parameters. Then you just come back here and uh, the problem that you're going to have is that only some of the articles are going to be open access, means if you do not have an institutional access, you cannot download these. So this one is a regular access article, and if you click on PDF, it's going to ask you for institutional sign-in. This, however, if you click here, This is an open access publisher, the IEEE access. It's going to take you to the paper and then you can download it. So this is the title of the article, this is the title of the journal, and then you can skim through it. So for those guys or those people who do not have institutional access available, you can just search open access research articles like these. So basically, the open access movement says that the author or the institution of the author should pay for the publication of the article, and that article should be freely available to anyone who wants to download. So for those who do not have an institutional access, I have compiled a list of these links for open access articles. So the most popular open access organization is this, the Energies, MDPI, and the most, maybe in my field, the most popular article journal is Energies. So this is the information, and you can search anything PV grid tied systems. So you have everything related to it here, and then you can select some sort of details. So it will show you some pictures, etc. And if you go here, this is an entirely open access publisher. You can just download anything. So it's downloading. So here you have the entire article for free. Okay, so similarly we have other articles that it's other journals like electronics and IET, Institute of Engineers, etc. This used to be regular access, RA, but now it's an open access journal. You can just go here and then so you can search, like there are plenty of articles available that have been published recently, and then you can also search in this journal about the title that you want to define, like PV uh, grid tied systems. So you have different kind of papers about this topic, and then if you just click here, it will take you to the article. So I think that uh, research articles 2017 onwards maybe are available online, because prior to that um, it was not open access, but you'll have to explore on your own. So here you have the material, and you can download the PDF if you like. Okay, so the list goes on and on. I'm going to share this list with you in either the some file upload place or some, I'm not sure how to do it. Maybe I'll just copy it and paste it in the comments below, and then you can just go in and read. So next time I'm going to talk a little bit more about which sites to explore and how to find what you want to find, and most importantly, how to read a research article with reference to what you want to find from it. And then also in the upcoming videos, I'm going to talk about how to develop a research idea from the literature surveyed and the material that you have read. Okay, it was nice talking to you. Have a good day, and let's meet again soon.